in order to modify your table in Google Docs even more, you can right click and you get the insert option right over here, delete, and then distribute options just like this. So let's say I want to insert out a row in between. So of course, if I want to add in a row at the end, then I can simply go over here and press tab and then a new row appears just like that, as we saw in the previous lesson. But if I want a row in between, I can right click anywhere after where I want to insert a row, and then I can click on insert row below and a new row will be added. Similarly, if I want to add in a row above, I can right click and click on insert row above. So just like this, I've inserted rows. I can also go over here, insert column to the left right over here, and column has been added in. And I can go over here, add in column onto the right as well. So I can add in column onto the right, and you can see that this is how everything functions. So let's say I don't want this. I can go over here and then just delete the column right over here, just like this. I can go over here and then delete the row just like this. I can just select it and then delete 5 rows, as you can see right over here. I don't want to delete those rows. I just want to delete column, and I can go over here, right click, and I want to delete row. That's how you can work around. Of course, I can resize this out right here. But wait a minute, what happened when I resized was that the equality is gone now. So what I can do is I can distribute it. So over here, when I right click, I have an option to distribute the rows or distribute the columns. So I can go over here and click on distribute column, and they are equally distributed just like before. But let me just go ahead and resize this out right over here, just like that. I can also go over here and do the same with distribution of rows right over here, and they are equally distributed just like this. So I'm just going to go around right here and resize this out and distribute the rows just like that. So now it distributed according to this. So if I were to resize this out right here and then resize this out just like this, then the distribution will be a bit different. So if I were to distribute rows, you can see that it is according to the top, the one which is the largest, just like that. And that's how you can do that. And if you want to delete the entire table itself, you simply right click and then delete the table. But let me not just do that right over there. And that is how you can insert, delete, and distribute rows and columns inside of tables in Google Docs document. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.